Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a Stitch Fix try on. With my last actual trunk club, you guys really liked just me getting straight to the try on versus showing you everything, so that's what we're gonna do. But first, I thought I'd read the note. Now, truth be told, I totally forgot to send my stylist a note, so you get what you get when that happens, right? So it says, I have Chelsea. I think I had Chelsea last time, but where's the guy who had me one time? He was good. I liked him. Welcome back for another fix. Glad the leggings worked out for you for your last fix. Yeah, she had me last time. So she was looking back at my profile and past fixes. So she said, I have a variety of business and everyday casual styles that will have you up your style game quickly this winter. There's black orchid skinny jeans with some light distressing, a Calvin Klein black top tucked in with these jeans and later with this Bella Doll bomber jacket in a novel color. You could also just throw on a basic tee with these jeans. Sandals from Reporter Footwear are a no-brainer on the go outfit. This just might be your go-to this season. Enjoy trying on all these items. Let me know if you have your eye on anything for your next fix. Meaning that you didn't give me any feedback or direction, Sarah, so next time do your job. Okay, so let's get into the first piece. Oh man, the battery's gonna die. I'll see you after I change the battery and I have my first thing on. Okay, so the first thing I have on is the Bella Doll Odell bomber jacket in the color olive. This ain't no joke, kids. This is $158. So let's look. It is so cute though. It's not, I'm gonna pan you down just a little bit. I brought you down just a little bit though so you can kind of see. So it's not super long. It's kind of that cropped look. It's so lightweight. It totally zippers up. You guys, I don't want to love this because it's $158, but I don't know, it's pretty cute, especially like Southern California weather where you don't typically need super heavy jackets. It's good, but it still gets like cool in the evenings and it's like in summertime that this is a really easy throw on. So this might be coming home with me, or should I say staying home with me. So we'll see. Okay, so here is the next shirt. And this is the cut from the cloth Benter mixed material shirt. It's $58. So super cute. And it has a black in the back. I mean, I like it. I don't know that I love it. I like it. It's actually really cute. Like this would be really cute to wear to work for me. But yeah, let's see what else. I definitely love the jacket though, so I don't like this shirt. It's the Calvin Klein Paranetta cap sleeve knit top. So I hate that it's right there. So it's just like, has like this little pocket, and this is like a different material. It's like stretchy and it has this like flutter sleeve, and then the bottom has this like ruffle down here, so you can kind of see that ruffle and that different material. I mean, it's not anything special. It's $38. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, now we have the jeans. I'll pan down to them in just a second, but these are the Black Orchid Noah Distressed Scissor Hem jeans. And they're $136. I'm gonna show them to you. Here are the jeans. They're pretty cute. They're a little long, but you know, they have cute distressing. I kind of like that in the knee. Let me see if I can roll them up a little. Actually, I think they're super cute with just like the little roll for summer. I don't know, you guys, they're pretty pricey. And then here are I don't like these shoes. Here's the shoe. Oh, hell's bells. Don't mind my toes are not painted. I need to do that tonight. They just make your foot look wide. I like the color, but these are not cute, guys. Not cute at all. These are, let me see. This isn't even what I was looking for. Okay, so these shoes are the Rapport Footwear Quinton covered sandal, and they're $45. They just like fit funny in the like heel, like around the ankle right here. So, okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. I really like the, I hope I'm straight. I'm having issues with this tripod. So I like the jacket and the jeans. Those are the two things that I like. They're also the two most expensive things. Now, so basically, just so you're aware, if you buy all 5 items, you get a discount. And sometimes that can really screw you over, in the sense that if you want a few pieces. So the 2 pieces that I want, I'm calculating 136 are the jeans, and then 158 is the jacket. So that's at $294. So if I just kept those 2, that's how much my total would be. If I kept all 5 items, you guys, the total would be $435. But then you get a 25% discount if you keep all 5 of them. And then I have credit for $9. So my total would be $316.44 for 2 pieces at, you know, $294. But the thing is like, I'm never gonna wear the shoes, and I'm never gonna wear this black shirt. Like, those are the kind of things that I don't really believe in. I don't know. And it may be that I have to pick one or the other. So I don't know, guys. I got stuff to think about. The thing is like, they're really expensive jeans and I really like them, but I know we've gotten cheaper jeans that Stitch Fix that I love. So it may be that I just keep the jacket this time. I don't know. Tough decisions. So again, if you're interested in Stitch Fix, I'll leave all that information down below and a link to sign up. I really like it. I have been enjoying it. I've got a few really great pieces from Stitch Fix. But yeah, so hopefully you guys are enjoying this type of video. Typically I show you all of the items one by one and then try them on. So I'm gonna just right now, because I've gotten good feedback on my last trunk club where I did that, is just try them on for you and give you the information that way. Let me know what you prefer. Let me know. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.